um, uh, I'm happy that people can see the diversity in what I do, because I think I come from a place where I like to embrace many different influences, and I'm just passionate about the diversity that exists in cultures all around the world, in rhythms, in folklore, and just human expression. So somehow I like to, like a sponge, I like to I like so many things around me that they find themselves in my music. Yes, I think now I'm an artist. I'm an artist that protests through my music and through everything in general. I think in the beginning I just started naturally by the passion for justice and human rights. So I've always felt really strong for people's struggle. It started with my own struggle, and then I started opening my eyes on the world. I felt like that my purpose in life, I have to have empathy, and I have to connect people together and build bridges through my music. Well, my first concerts actually, I was invited by a Kurdish community in the beginning of my career, and I'm very fascinated about the Kurdish culture and the Kurdish music. I feel that there's a lot of rhythms that really interest me. So I like to be part of the celebration of those rhythms and colors and culture. I feel like as a Tunisian, as an Arab, it's something different that we don't really see and we don't really know. So for me, it's very fascinating to be close to this culture and celebrating this culture, and especially coming me from a different culture, but at the same time I feel like a lot of connections. I think we should have, we should celebrate each other with music and art and poetry. And I feel that when we get together and we celebrate our culture, that's the most beautiful thing that we can, that's the most beautiful answer, because we have all emotions, we interact, we have the same feelings, we have the same needs, regardless of where we come from. And I just, when I'm singing and when I'm performing, I feel that there are no differences anymore between me or my musician who's American or the audience, or they're just like this magic circle of light that we all connect with. And I think that's the message that we need to create more in the world. More celebration of life, more celebration of diversity, more celebration of love and culture.